In this video, I'm going to show you how to make incense using Gowe. You guys showed interest and of course I filmed the process. So first you want to measure out some of the Gowe, the dry Gowe. I didn't measure it, I just took a couple of handfuls out. And then you want to soak it in the perfumes. These perfumes don't have alcohol. Put enough perfume that you can see like the water. You can see it in the bowl. The balls are going to soak up all of these juices. After mixing all of the scents that I wanted, then I put it in this yogurt container and covered it so that it can soak up the water. It was soaking for about a week or so, and as you can see, the balls got really big and they soaked up a lot of the juice. They like tripled in size. Then I added the perfume oil. I actually poured everything out of this glass container and then added the oil and then poured the juices over the balls again. Then you want to store it in a glass container, an airtight glass container, and that's it. And this was ready to use immediately. The longer it sits, the better the smell will be. If you have any questions, let me know.